guys, welcome back to eVivid Artistry. My name is Emily Artist, and we are still within the 13 days of Halloween, so of course I'm going to be doing another Halloween makeup look. And today my look will be inspired by bats. So it's going to be definitely more of a glamorous wing liner bat look, and I'm very, very excited about it. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and I did my eyebrows and prepped my eyelids for the eyeshadow off camera, and now I'm going to just jump right into the eyeshadow. So I will be going into my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I will be going into No Joke, and I will be taking a medium-sized blending brush, and I will blend this from the inner corner to the outer corner and up toward the eyebrow. And I will be taking the shade Feelin' Myself, and I will just be placing that from the inner to the outer corner as well and blend it up toward the eyebrow, but don't actually hit it. I will now be taking the shade My Man. I will be using a precise blending brush with this, and I will also be placing that from the inner corner to the outer corner, but just a little bit lower than the last shade that I put down. I will now be taking my Makeup Forever shade, number M738. I have used this shade before, and every time that I show it to the camera, for some reason it just makes it look like it's a neutral brown, but it actually does have a lot of warmth and orangey tones in there, so I'm going to use that to deepen up my crease. Alright, so now that everything that I want to put in the crease is in the crease, I am now going to cut the crease. So I'm going to actually take some makeup remover and a Q-tip, and I'm going to take off the majority of the lid area. Then I will re-prime it, and then I will put some concealer over top of that and really cut out my crease. Alright, so I went ahead, I cut my crease, and I set it with a flesh tone-ish shade eyeshadow. And now we are going to be doing the eyeliner portion. I will be taking my NYX matte liquid liner, so I'm going to do a pretty dramatic wing. I can't really describe it, so it's going to look a little more pointy, but it's supposed to somewhat resemble a bat wing. Alright, so you should have something like this. Honestly, it was a lot easier than I thought to get this look. It just takes a lot of patience and a very steady hand, so I would definitely recommend to put your elbow onto a table or a hard surface so that you can have all of the support you need so that your hand doesn't shake. Therefore, the lines will look this good. I would definitely recommend to also do this when your face is not already done and you just do your eyes first. That way, if you do mess up, I messed up a lot, that you can clean it up with concealer and it can look as symmetrical and as perfect as possible, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. So now I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do the rest of my face, my foundation, powder, blush, contour, all of that, and when I come back we will finish up the eye look. Alright, so now that I finished doing the rest of my face, we're gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line. I will be jumping back into Feelin' Myself, and I will just be placing that from the outer corner to the inner corner. I will also be jumping back into my Makeup Forever shade, the M738. I will also be placing this on the outer corner, but I won't quite bring it all the way to the inner corner. I will now be taking my NYX Epic Wear waterproof liner in the color white, and I will just be putting a few random dots up in the cut crease area and then a few random dots underneath my lower lash line. Alright, so that is the eye look completely done, minus the lashes and the mascara, of course. So I am now going to go off camera and do that, as well as put on some lipstick, and when I come back, it will be the final look. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I am very happy with how it turned out. I think it looks very chic, very striking, and very creative, and I like it. I hope you guys like it too, and if you did, please leave a like, comment down below on more looks that you would like to see me do. It doesn't necessarily have to be Halloween related. I do need to start thinking about, after the 13 days of Halloween, what I'm gonna film, so any suggestion would be great. I'm here to help. And if you could also subscribe to the channel, that would mean so much to me as well. All of this really does help me out a lot, and it means so much that you guys even watch. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow on the next 13 days of Halloween video. Bye!